Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple, easy and creative hairstyles. For that you have to tie the hairs in the same manner as shown. Now fix it on the top, tie it from the bottom and fix it, and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Tie all the hairs, divide them into 3 sections. Now make the plaits like this on both the sides, leaving the middle part. Now fix it on the top like this in a heart shape. Now fold the hairs upward and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, fix this bun pin, roll down the hairs and fix it from the bottom as well, and your bun is ready. Next, tie the hairs and rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides and again rotate it. Now keep following these steps for a few more times. Now make the plaits on all the hairs and then fold it upward to fix it to make a bun, and it's ready. Next, put this hair clip. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll them and fix them. Now divide the hairs and make the plaits like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides as shown in the video. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now fold them upward and fix it, and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, put this hair clip on the hairs, roll the hairs and then roll it and fix it one by one as shown in the video, and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, take the hairs from the sides again and fix it like this. Now keep following these steps for a few more times. Tie all the hairs in the same manner. Make the plaits like this and fix it by folding the hairs upward, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it like this. Now follow the same step for the other side, fix it on the back. Divide the hairs and then rotate it like this. After that, fold the hairs upward and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Tie the plaits on both the sides of the hairs as shown in the video. Fix it by rotating the hairs upward. Now fold it to make a bun, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides on the back. Now divide it and then rotate it. Fold the hairs upward. Now take the hairs from the sides again and repeat the process for a few more times. Now keep repeating the process as we are doing in this video. At the end, we will divide the hairs, make the plait, fold it, and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it from the between. Now fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top like this. Fix it using a rubber band. Now using this bun making tool or the hair rotating tool, we will fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and make the plaits in the between like this. Join it carefully as we are making. Fix it till the bottom and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now rotate the hairs. Now fix it by rolling it upward. Make a bun and it's ready.